Whatever, y'all, just popping back in. I already started taking off the dip from this door, so you can see this section is gone. Peeling all of this off. This is like, I guess 2 or 3 coats, so it peels okay. Could be a little thicker, but yeah, if you want a easy peel, put more layers, like 4 or 5 at least, if you spray in. But yeah, you can see the paint is still fairly decent under here. Now this is, wasn't covered for years, so it's not but it's down low, so it's not faded like up here because the sun is not fading this. But yeah, paint is still pretty good. Did a good job protecting from little scratches and road debris, like all of this trash, so you don't get that on there, so that's good. Also gotta take this off, and it's not quite gonna match with the new color, but whatever. I might make like a custom vet logo. I was talking to my boy about it earlier today, so might make something like that to go with the new color. But yeah, I'm gonna get all of this off and I'll show y'all what we look like solid red. Oh, and I gotta take the dip off the back too. So this has actually been on here since I got the car in like 2017, so it's been like 5 years. So this has been on here legit 5 years. I got a few nicks in it now, but yeah, 5 years it held up pretty good. But it's coming off and it's getting wrapped, so I'll be back once all of this is done. Look like anyway, but this just looks so weird to me right now without the little black on the bottom. So yeah, it'll be back on there once I get the wrap. It's burning up out here, so I got this side done. Still got to do the other side. Still got to do this back part, but yeah, it's burning up. I'm taking a break, so I guess I might end this video here and y'all just come back. I guess I'll come back once I got everything in the process of getting wrapped. So yeah, well, with the black part. So this is it for this one. I'll catch y'all I guess tomorrow.